students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to add without using the number line. So before starting this, let's discuss some basic formulas. First is that if there is a sign of plus and negative, then plus and minus becomes minus. Just you can look here. This is 11 plus minus of 7. So plus minus becomes equals to minus here. Next is plus and plus. Look, here is plus and here is also plus. So plus and plus becomes equals to plus, and minus becomes plus, which means if there is look, the number is a minus of minus b. So this from here, minus and minus become equals to plus. So this become from here become equals to a plus b. So let's start with the part 1. So in the part 1, we are given the number which is 11 plus minus of 7. As we just discussed above, that is plus minus become equals to minus. So this from here become equals to 11 minus 7. Now we are just simply going to subtract 7 from 11. So when we subtract 7 from 11, we get the answer as 4. So 4 is the answer to the part 1 of the question. Now let's move to the next part. In this part, we are given that B. In the part B, we are given minus 13 plus of 18. So as we just discussed above, plus become equals to plus. So this from here is equals to minus 13 plus 18. So when we subtract 13 from 18, we get the value as 5. So this 5 is the answer to the second part of this question. So 5 is the answer. Now let's move to the part C. This is minus 10 plus 19. As we just discussed above, plus become equals to plus. So this from here is equals to minus 10 plus 19. We are going to subtract 10 from 19. So that from here become equals to 9. So we can say that 9 is the answer to the part C of this. Part D is minus 250 plus 150. We know that plus become equals to plus. So this from here is equals to 250 plus 150. So we are going to subtract 150 from minus 250. So when we subtract 150 from minus 250, we get the value as minus 100. So minus 100 is the answer to the part D of this question. Part E is minus 380 plus minus of 270. We know that plus and minus become equals to minus. So this from here is equals to minus 380 minus 270. So we are going to subtract 270 minus 270 from minus 380. So this from here we are going to take negative common. So this from here is equals to 380 plus 270. Add 380 and 270. This from here is equals to minus 650. So minus 650 is the answer to the part E of this question. Now let's move to the part F. F is minus 217 plus minus of 100. We know that plus and minus become minus. So this from here is minus 217 minus 100. We are going to take minus common from here. This become equals to 217 plus 100. That from here become equals to minus 317. So we can say that minus 317 is the answer to this question. So students, this is the answer to given question. In order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of integers. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.